In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange questions in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or any type of form in Google Forms, organizing your questions effectively can enhance clarity and improve the overall user experience for your respondents. Now, let's dive right in and see how you can do just that. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to forms.google.com, where you can access Google Forms. It's a good idea to ensure you're logged into your Google account before you begin, as this will allow you to create and edit forms. If you haven't used Google Forms before, don't worry. It's a very intuitive tool. Once you're on the homepage of Google Forms, you'll see options to start a new form. You can select either a blank form or choose from a variety of available templates that Google offers. Now, let's assume you've already created a form and you want to rearrange the questions to make it more coherent or just to enhance the flow of information. Open the form you want to edit. On the form editor page, you'll see each question appears as a block. Google Forms makes it incredibly easy to rearrange questions with a simple drag and drop function. Position your mouse over the question you wish to move, and you'll notice 6 small dots appearing as a handle on the left side of the question block. Click and hold down on these dots to grab the question. While keeping your mouse button held down, drag the question up or down to its new desired location. You'll see a thin blue line between questions indicating where the question will be placed once you release your mouse. It's similar to organizing items in a list, and this visual cue helps ensure that questions end up precisely where you want them. After positioning the question, release the mouse button to drop it in place. Repeat the process for any additional questions you want to move. Take your time to arrange them in a logical order that aligns with the goal of your form. If you'd like, you can preview your form to verify that the questions are ordered correctly. Simply click on the eye icon at the top to see a live preview as your respondents would. This can be a great way to ensure that your form flows naturally. Remember, you can rearrange questions as many times as you need, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find the arrangement that works best. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to save your changes. With your form well organized, you're now ready to share it with its intended audience. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident using Google Forms. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to look for additional resources or tutorials available through Google's support site. Thanks for watching and happy form building.